Grammalogs phonetically part 4. We already had done the 3 parts of grammalogs phonetically, which is in this class of grammalogs we are doing the short forms according to the sounds, ठीक है, और according to the places, means first place, second place or third place. Okay, so this is our last class of grammalogs phonetically. First grammalog or short form is important, importance or improved, improvement. So for important and importance we use the one outline for both the words, and which is am in dark form, important or importance. For improve or improved or improvement, for 3 of words we use the dark form of am on the line in second place. Next is impossible, am with circle S. Next, in any, for in or any, n, ठीक है, and for own it comes in third place, then this is own, ठीक है, in third place. Next is influence, n with circle S. Next is influenced, st का loop above the line in first place, and for next on the line n and st. Next is nor or near. So for nor, nr, and for near on the line. Next is opinion, then on the line n and hook. Next is northern, nr and n hook. Next, information, so n and shun hook. Hand in half length, and for under, n in half length on the line. Next is scent, s and n in half length, scent. Next is language. So for language and for owing it comes above the line, and for thing it comes on the line, and for young it comes in below the line in third place. Okay, in third place. First place for language, owing, and for thing it comes in second place, and for young it comes in third place. Okay, next is lot. This is lot, L, lot. So next is your or ear. So for your, downward R, and ear, downward R but cut the line. Next is yacht, half length of R above the line, and for word on the line. Next is R, this is R, and for hour and hour, cut the line. Next, our selves, cut the line and large circle of S, our selves. Next is rather, double length of R and double length for rather and writer, double length of R. Next is V, and next weather, and last one is wonderful and wonderfully. So for wonderful and wonderfully, outlines come same in double length. So this is wonderful and wonderfully. So यहाँ पे अभी हमारे सारे ग्रामरलॉग्स कंप्लीट होते हैं अकॉर्डिंग टू दी साउंड्स और अकॉर्डिंग टू दी देयर पोजीशन विच इज़ फर्स्ट प्लेस, सेकंड प्लेस एंड थर्ड प्लेस. सो अभी हमने सारे हमारे ग्रामरलॉग्स कंप्लीट कर लिए हैं. आई होप आपको ग्रामरलॉग्स अल्फ़ाबेटिकली और फोनेटिकली दोनों अच्छे से क्लियर हो गए होंगे. So but still you have any doubt, then you can comment me on the comment box.